she left me happy, okay. Lord, what's up, you gonna give me bun?
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless you, love and greetings. Good morning, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, and alliance. Look at myself. You know, I don't know. Lion foot there, you know. So, give thanks to the rise, man. Everybody big up on yourself. You see me? Anyone there, and I watch the video, you know, guidance and protection. Love and blessings. You see it always goes up. Yeah, man. New to the channel, welcome. So give thanks to life. Yeah, man. Be humble and wise, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So let me there on the journey to work, you know. Yeah. So we just want to send a positive message out there, you know. As usual, love and blessings, man, you see me? Love and blessings always. You see it. And fix my type. I need to vlog with my logo and show and everything, you see me? But yeah, man. Some people in the world I try, you know, to make life easy for living, but some people make it hard, you see me? Yeah, some people go out of their way and they do the extreme things to try please people and to try pretend, you know, live life like them and live high life lasting when they put themselves in a debt. You see what I say? Yeah, them are living an illusion. So I just say, be grateful for the little that you have, you know what I mean, and live your life real and clean and don't go out of your way. Don't displease yourself to please people. But one thing my mother always tell me as a youth, you know. When I see two people talk, morning, when I see two people talk, I pass, don't just go through them, just say, excuse me. If you have to pass in the middle, you just say, excuse me. You see? Enough time I do that, my mother give me a hard conk, you see me? Come. Have manners and them, so I say, excuse as you walk around, you know. And it's a thing I always tell my youth, why you say that either. The foreign youth, them not really do like how we grow at Jamaica. You see me? Sometimes I see them like say morning. When I walk past them come on all the bus and I walk past them, I say morning, hello. They not answer you, but that's the mentality in England. I don't know, I assume America is the same. You see me? Yeah, I assume America is the same, but yeah. Different mentality. So I always try to tell me youth them say when I see two people that walk, attack, and they have to pass through the middle of them, say excuse me. And when I see people say good morning, evening, don't wait for them to say it, you say it, you know? Come on, you will turn up and say it, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Some people go out of the way, put themselves in a debt, borrow money if you go do them breast and body, and you know, I'm nothing against that, you know. If you go buy them big bed, big furniture, and just we go muggle and show off because them friend have it, so they want to have it too. You know? You buy the beer set of clothes so we go one dance. You see me? Some of them go shoplift, you get the dearest dress, the dearest suit for them man or whatever. You see me? Because you have some man a shoplift you know. Just we go wear one dance and some of them get catch. You see me? All for please people. So I say live your life clean and real, man. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. This vlog is sponsored by Prince and Genius Family Butchers. Yeah, man. Peckham Lane, London, UK. So I say, anyone there in London, East, West, North, South, find Prince and Genius Family Butchers. Jamaican butchers, Jamaican meat. I say they meat them fresh and full of flesh. Nothing no stale or quail. Give them a chance and you will never fail. So I say, yeah man, go check them out, man. 151 Peckham Lane. See? Just go ask for family coronation. Yeah man, right at the Barclays Bank near the train station. Peckham Lane. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, man. Live your life clean and real, man. And to the best of your ability to average a standard where you can manage, you know. Stop pushing up where you can't reach it. And your kids them too. Teach your kids them the right way. Teach them how we grew in Jamaica. Dumping and butter days, sugar and water, already sugar and water. You know what I mean? And the one slice of bread and everything there, is it? You see me I say, yeah man. You know, fast lane, time and time we see parents grow them kids certain way and spoil them. And then the kids come on and bite them on the knees and them big things there, you see me? So life easy for living, but some people make it hard. Yeah man, and just like live in love and unity. Manners is the way, you see me? Have manners and carry a far away, you get respected and love. You see? Yes man, so you see enough people go to the way for go dance and they go shoplift. Enough people go on social media hype and live a false life, a fake life. Like, you must put on a show and then when they go on them bed, it's a different thing. Miserable. You see me? Live a life real and plain, man, and don't live a life to please people. You see me? I say, don't live a life to please people. You see me? I say, and this is a message to the whole world. You see me? I say, the whole diaspora, Caribbean, Africa, America. You see me? I say, I care for black and white. You see me? I say, that goes to all of us. You see? Live in love, man, whole America, whole Canada, Jamaica, Africa. I know Jamaica circulated and spread out all over the world. You see? Yeah, man, France and Spain and Germany and Belgium, Jamaica and everywhere. Ethiopia. You see me? I say, Pakistan. Yeah, man. You see me? I say, love and unity, man, people. Love and unity. So it's a pleasure, it's a joy to be speaking to you all this morning on the platform. More time to cover story what's out there, you know, but you don't know. Sometimes if you reason about real life settings, you see me? I say, things and time rough and tough, you know. In the UK, like hard, it was easy. Every minute things them raise up and down up and raise up here now. Pay now rise. In the UK here, I tell you about tough. You get to pay, you have to pay bills them. Most of them up bills and you have to try to save back something for go back and work the next week. Plus you have your families back home. You have to send mama dinner money or get around. You know what I mean? Help out in one and two situations. If I can, or somebody reach out or not. You see me? But yeah, we kind of draw the lines out the way still. You see it? But then all the love with someone, the man of peace, man. You see it? Yeah, but the man of peace, man. I should soul the base, man. So my viewers and subscribers. So this vlog is for us to live your life clean and real and stop put on a show. You see me? I say, stop the pretending. Ah, then daddy. Stop the pretending. You see me? I say, stop the pretending. You know, live your life clean, honest, and real. You see it? Lion foot, man. I don't know. What you don't make today, you will make tomorrow. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. If you fail, just keep trying, man. If you fail, keep trying again. Don't give up. You see it? 2018 was, you hear me refer a lot about 2018. That was a pivotal year in my career, you know? I thought I was going to get the breakthrough, but I don't know. Obstacles coming the way. Got misled, misguided, tricked. Should I say scammed? You see me? I say, but yeah. Yeah, you see me? Learning process, go back to the drawing board. You see me? I say, yeah, man, so. I don't know, I live with a freestyle right now, like big up Papa Son. You see me? I say, big up Professor Nuts. I had the opportunity to work with Professor Nuts, you see it? 2018 on a show, you know what I mean? Yes, man, Balaclava. Do all the Balaclava St. Elizabeth. But I should be, I know. What do you love? I don't know anything about a freestyle. Yeah.
She banned me.
Yo, big up
with
Papa
Bunny.
Son. I Will Survive and Enquiries are two of my favorite songs as a youth growing up, you know. I thought we could just give me love to a kid. I know she left me happy, okay. Lord, Mr. Miguel, I give me bun. I'm used to see her, so she don't give me none. Lord, Mr. Miguel bun me. Oh, she bun me with Joe Grand money. Lord, Mr. Miguel, I give me bun. She don't give me none. Lord, Mr. Miguel bun me. Oh, she bun me with Joe Grand money. Me ask her if she's a snake on the grass. Me tell her, say me she asleep with the boss. She will say a lion take God up on the cross. I say, who tell me? Tell them Ficky her ass. I'm find out say the truth or the lie. Why is it cheat? Don't know why. I must say you tell us I'm not eat the pie. I am being man. I am not that guy. Lord, I say me girl give me bun. You say she not give me none. Lord, I say me girl bun me. Oh, she bun me with Joe Grand money. Lord. So the girl bought me, oh she bought me with Joe Grand money. All this time when she said she's gonna work, I done Kirk, she gonna link up with Kirk. And I find out I feel cut up on earth, when a girl idiot, so I pack up a split.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.